sorry.
Oh, that's all right.
Hello everyone. Today, I would like to talk about a typical day in my life. My days are not very special, but they help me stay organized, healthy, and positive. I think talking about my daily routine is a good way to practice English and also show you how an ordinary day can still be meaningful. I usually wake up quite early, around 6:30 in the morning. When my alarm rings, I take a few seconds to stretch my body and open my eyes slowly. I try not to check my phone immediately, because it makes me feel stressed at the start of the day. Instead, I sit up, drink a glass of water, and breathe deeply for a short moment. This small habit helps me feel calm and awake. After that, I go to the bathroom to wash my face and brush my teeth. Cold water on my face always gives me more energy. Then, I prepare a light breakfast. I normally eat toast with butter or jam, and sometimes I have a bowl of cereal with milk. If I have more time, I make scrambled eggs or a cup of warm tea. Breakfast is simple, but I try not to skip it, because it gives me fuel for the whole morning. At around 7:30, I start getting ready for work. I choose my clothes, check my bag, and make sure that I have everything I need, such as my laptop, notebook, and keys. I leave my home at about 8 o'clock. The journey to work is not too long. I usually take the bus or the metro. During the ride, I like to listen to music or an English podcast. It helps me improve my listening skills and get into a good mood before I begin my day. When I arrive at the office, I say hello to my colleagues and turn on my computer. My workday normally begins at 9 o'clock. The morning is often busy because I have emails to answer and tasks to complete. Sometimes we have short team meetings to discuss our goals and check our progress. I try to stay focused, but I also enjoy talking to my teammates because it makes the atmosphere friendlier. At around 12:30, we have lunch. I usually bring food from home, but sometimes I eat at a small cafe near the office. During lunch, we talk about movies, travel, or weekend plans. It is a relaxing break that helps me refresh my mind. The afternoon continues with more tasks. Some days are quieter, but other days are full of deadlines and phone calls. When I feel tired, I take a short break to stretch my legs or drink a glass of water. I believe small breaks help me work better. I usually finish work around 5 in the afternoon. After work, I like to do something that helps me release stress. If the weather is nice, I take a walk in the park. Walking slowly while listening to music gives me peace. Sometimes, I go to the gym for a light workout. It is not too intense, but it helps me stay healthy and strong. On other evenings, I simply go home and relax. When I arrive home, the first thing I do is change into comfortable clothes. Then, I prepare dinner. My dinners are simple, such as rice with vegetables, pasta, or a salad. I enjoy cooking because it allows me to be creative, and I can choose healthy ingredients. After dinner, I often spend 1 or 2 hours studying English. I watch short videos, read simple articles, or practice speaking by repeating sentences from native speakers. English shadowing is one of my favorite techniques, because it helps me improve pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence. Even if I am tired, I try to study a little every day, because small efforts can create big results over time. Before going to bed, I take some time to relax. Sometimes I read a book, sometimes I listen to soft music, and sometimes I just lie on my bed and think about the day. I also plan the next day, by writing down 3 important tasks I want to finish. Planning my day helps me sleep better, because I know what I need to do. At around 10:30, I turn off the lights and go to sleep. I try to sleep at least 7 hours each night, so I can feel fresh the next morning. A good night's sleep is very important for my mood and my productivity. This is a typical day in my life. It may seem simple, but each activity has a purpose. Waking up early helps me start the day calmly. Working hard helps me grow professionally. Exercising and studying English help me improve myself. And relaxing in the evening helps me stay balanced. I believe that an ordinary day can still be meaningful if we pay attention to our habits and make time for the things that matter. Thank you for listening. I hope my daily routine inspires you to think about your own day and how you can make it better. See you next time.